I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on this IQ 3 device by turning on the monster mode. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to do this kind of testing as well. As you can see, let me just show you the comment quickly. So bro, can you please do the IQ 3 Antutu benchmark test by switching on the monster mode, as you can see, and the game mode. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers. So let's see friends how much score we can actually expect from this IQ 3 device after turning on the monster mode and turning on the game mode. So previously I did not use any of those kind of testings, and without using any kind of modes, so the phone was able to get up to 6,73,000. Yes friends, Snapdragon 865 processor, this much of score I did get without using any kind of modes. But in this test I'm gonna use two types of modes, which is the ultra game mode. I'll try to add the Antutu benchmark application into this ultra game mode, and then I'll try to use the monster mode as well. As you can see friends, clearly I did add them into the ultra game mode as well. Now both are into the ultra game mode successfully. So now let me try to clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely cleared. Let me try to turn on the monster mode. So here's a monster mode option, so which I did turn on completely. As you can see friends, now everything got changed, all the icons and everything. So now let's do the Antutu benchmark test in this scenario. Let's see how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually expect with this kind of mode. So same question what my subscriber has asked, same thing I'm going to try right now. As you can see friends, right now, so we are getting this kind of mode as well. If you swipe to this side, so right now the temperature is pretty normal. It's pretty close to room temperature, 30 degrees and 31 degrees. This exact scenario, as you can see friends, 30, 32. It's nothing much. Right now it started to increase, only 31 degrees at this point, on the bottom 32, as you can see friends. So nothing much difference from my room temperature to this IQ temperature at this point. I'll try to start the stopwatch as well. So the stopwatch is basically necessary for me to calculate how much time it took and how much temperature also increased. I'll try to come back again after 5 minutes, so then we can actually discuss how much temperature actually increased in this kind of 5 minutes of time. So mainly I'll try to focus on this phone comparing with other smartphone friends, with the IQ 7 or other devices, in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results or any other comparison gameplay as well. I'll definitely do those kind of comparisons, so which I'm eagerly waiting. So meanwhile, so what you need to do is that just keep on following me every day, so and try to follow the playlist which I designed for the IQ 3 users. As you can see, IQ 3, in case if you want to know more details how I bought this phone for 17,495, you can check all these videos, so where you can actually understand. So the only reason I bought this IQ 3 device at this point is because of the price. So only the deal made me to buy this phone, and even I need to compare plenty of other smartphones as well. How is this Snapdragon 865 is comparable with the Snapdragon 870 chipset as well? That is another main reason. Even I'll try to include the Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is in the Realme X2 Pro. Even I do have that kind of mobile phone with me, so I can do this kind of comparison with all the phones together. So which will be really interesting test. We'll get to know so much of plenty results. So which phone has got what kind of performance and results. So right now after 3 minutes of doing this kind of Antutu benchmark test, and the temperature increased to 36 degrees. As you can see friends, right now 36 degrees, it increased 36.6. In the before, in this location it was close to 32 degrees, so 4 degrees increased. So by using the ultra game mode and by using the monster mode, so which is already turned on the top, as you can see clearly friends, monster mode also turned on. And during this time I did use the 50% brightness only, so not more, so only 50% brightness I did use. I forgot to show you, but I'll try to show you after the results has been successfully completed, then you can actually check. So let's see friends, will this actually increase the Antutu benchmark score or not? How much can it increase? Can it make a difference in the CPU and the GPU? I'll mainly focus CPU and the GPU scores, not on the memory, no. So I'm not even concentrated on much on the main score, only on the CPU and the GPU I'll be focusing. So before I used to focus on the main score, but a lot of users, they did suggest me, bro, can you please compare only the CPU and the GPU, because those are the main things which we are actually required, and only those will be changed every time you use this kind of ultra game mode and the monster mode. That's 100% correct. That is the reason I thought of choosing only CPU and the GPU. Right now battery percentage decreased by 1% after 4 minutes of time. So from 100% I did start this kind of testing, and it decreased to 99 just now. And after this I need to do plenty of other tests like CPU throttling test, and so much of other tests which I need to do, 3D benchmark test, and so it's plenty much of comparisons which I need to do on this phone. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos friends. As you can see friends, we did complete the Antutu benchmark test in this IQ 3 device right now, and as you can see friends, the results are again shocking. So let me check the temperatures right now. It increased to up to 36 kind of degrees right now at this moment, as you can see friends clearly. Let me try to stop the stopwatch. So right now we got about 6,76,000 of score. That's fantastic, friends. Now let's compare before and after. That is what I'm going to take the screenshot. So right now I took the screenshot, and these are the test which I'm trying to do by using the monster mode and the ultra game mode as well. So now let me try to open the gallery and show you exactly so what it is before and what it is now. So this is a screenshot which I have taken yesterday. So these are yesterday's screenshot which I have taken without using any kind of monster mode and any game mode. 6,76,000 of score I got in this phone. Now let me try to compare side by side. So this is random benchmark test we did today. How much we got, as you can see, I think the increased in the GPU. So only in the GPU it got slightly increased, as you can see, friends. In the CPU nothing much, so I did not see anything. But in the GPU, 222 versus 226, as you can see the clear difference, friends, how much it increased between both phones. Sorry, between both results. So this is with using monster mode, and that is without using any kind of monster mode. That is the difference exactly we got right now, as you can see here. Clearly the difference. Yes, there is a little bit kind of difference is there in terms of the overall score as well. I can easily see on this GPU. So in terms of the GPU, slightly increased, little bit, but not much increase, but little bit only, as you can see. And the battery percentage, how much it drained is 2% during this time. So from 100% it decreased to 98% during this time of testing, as you can clearly see, friends. So in case if you want me to do any other videos on this iQOO 3 device in comparison with other smartphones, definitely make sure to comment below. I can do those videos for you all. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.